Hi traders, just a quick coaching video. We're going to be talking about 1, 2, 3 systems, change of character, continuation patterns and price cycles within the gold on steroid software. So hopefully you can enjoy the next few minutes. It's quick, but nonetheless, hopefully highly valuable to you. So the 15 minutes on the left. So we want to make sure that we have a clear trend. That's the first thing. So we know from facts that whenever the price rallies, it always goes up above the 50 moving average. Okay. Whenever the price falls down, it goes below the 50 moving average. So that's how it works. That's how you grab those moves, if it's moving at all, of course. Now, so here's the 5-minute chart on the gold on steroids, and as we mentioned earlier, we're looking for the price to move above the 50 moving average. And as soon as the price moves above the 50 moving average, then of course we are buying, as long as the rules are intact. Rules are intact, and therefore you have a buying opportunity here. Just make sure, as I mentioned many times, just make sure that the signal is above the zero line. That's really important. Okay, I've covered that one before, so I'm not covering that one again. But there's a couple of things which are really important. So this is a continuation pattern within the move, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So as the price comes down, there are trading opportunities within opportunities. What I mean by that, as the price comes down below the 50 moving average in both instances, there is a possible trading opportunity you might want to take advantage of using price cycle. So this is the price cycle. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. We can see at this point here, the price cycle on the 5-minute is very high, indicated by here, as the price has moved both down below the 50 moving average on the left, which indicates weakness, and the swing high here. That was a trading opportunity here with a very tight stop, if that's what you wanted to do. Talking about price cycle. Now, if you're waiting for the buy, and we were waiting for the buy, weren't we? We're waiting for the price to come above the 50, which it did do. It finished above the 50 on the 15-minute chart, and the price went up. Now, I've talked about the 1, 2, 3 system. Let me just cover that for you. So once we have change of character here, there's often a pullback, which is the number 2, and then the 3 is the rally. So that's the 1, 2, 3 system. Simply grab your Fibonacci. I'm going to do it again if I can get rid of this one. Won't let me. Anyway, so go into your fib retracement, drag it from the bottom to the top, and it will give you the 50% retracement and the 618%. The 618 was a good one actually, but hindsight's wonderful. 50% would have been all right. And just make sure that your stop is way below the support lines here. And the price went up and it's still continuing. But now we can see the price has fallen below the 50 here on the 5-minute, but still holding above the 15-minute. So we have to expect that the price cycle is still continuing up into an uptrend, even though it's really quiet so far. So again, you can look at the price cycle to clarify here. At the same time as the Fibonacci's are hit there. So are you buying low? Yes, you are. Are you buying low into this area here? 32.81, somewhere like this. So this is acting as support for you. And as long as the price holds on to market structure, as indicated, then of course you've got a good buying opportunity to come into that. And the price moves above the 50 moving average, 32.84. All right, so you've got the stop there, and you've got the swing low. We've got another swing low, and the price is moving up into the above the 50 moving average as well, which indicates further strength. There's no outside bar on the left either, so that indicates further strength is likely. Hopefully that's helpful.